Unlock the power of English. Decoding question tags. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another exciting episode in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to tackle an intriguing topic: question tags. Specifically, we'll delve into the nuances of using positive and negative tags. Question tags are small questions that we often tack on to the end of our sentences in English, aren't they? Exactly, that was an example. This part of English grammar can seem tricky, but with a bit of practice, you'll soon get the hang of it. Let's dive in. First things first, what are question tags? Question tags, sometimes called tag questions, turn a statement into a question. They are very common in English, and they are used to ask for agreement or confirmation. For instance, if we say, "You're coming to the party, aren't you?" The "aren't you" is our question tag. It transforms the statement, "You're coming to the party," into a question that asks for confirmation. Now, question tags can be positive or negative. And here's the rule: if the main part of the sentence is positive, the question tag is negative. If the main part of the sentence is negative, the question tag is positive. So, if we say, "You're coming to the party, aren't you?" the main sentence is positive. "You're coming to the party." So the tag is negative. Aren't you? And vice versa. If we say, "You're not coming to the party, are you?" the main sentence is negative. You're not coming to the party. So the tag is positive. Are you? To fully understand this concept, let's dive into some examples. 1. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? The main sentence is positive, so the tag is negative. 2. You haven't met her, have you? The main sentence is negative, so the tag is positive. 3. He can speak Spanish, can't he? The main sentence is positive, so the tag is negative. 4. They didn't go to the concert, did they? The main sentence is negative, so the tag is positive. Remember, the key is to look at the main sentence. If it's positive, the tag will be negative and vice versa. Well, we've had quite the exploration today, haven't we? The world of English question tags is indeed an interesting one. We hope you've got a clearer understanding of positive and negative question tags now. Like every other part of language learning, mastering question tags is a journey. Practice makes perfect. Try using question tags in your everyday English conversations and see the difference they make. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the beauty of language is in its nuances. So don't shy away from the tricky bits, embrace them. Happy learning, everyone!